weird issue with my scooter stalling after the engine is fully warmed up. There are no vacuum leaks. The valve clearance is absolutely perfect. The ignition coil I've replaced with a brand new unit, no issues at all. Brand new spark plug, lots of spark even after the engine is stalled, so definitely not the spark issue. Engine has good compression, and I have come to the probably least suspectable area, which is the fuel injector. And so right now the engine is actually warmed up and it's not starting, and when I'm checking to see if there are any fuel coming out after I start cranking it, there are some fuel coming out right now, but before, when the engine was like really warm, there are no fuel. So I know this fuel injector probably has some issues. I've ordered a brand new fuel injector that's going to be coming very soon, so I will keep you guys updated, and then you would know one more area to check if your engine actually stalls after it's warmed up.